All arrive, the 54 countries arrive in ever National Safety and Security Officer Female Association for everything that they have done and especially for inviting.
And I was appointed.
And in CAF HQ, Safety and Security Department, they will tell you knowledge. I know I have
formed.
The experience we had during CHAN from a safety and security perspective. I know we have a culture and we have to keep on changing that culture through capacity building and workshops. Our people need to understand what they need to do during match days. Our people need to know what they need to do during events. I think from this workshop, because all our clubs have safety and security officers, but I think we need to keep on empowering them through such workshops. And in the ride up to this workshop and after this workshop, I'm sure we will put proper measures, especially through our office.
Where we trained 40 club safety and security officers in Kenya, and that was before CHAN, and we saw the impact of the training happening in Kenya before and during CHAN, and we're still seeing it even now. We are glad that the member association is in good collaboration and communication with the CAF Safety and Security Department in such a way that now they have recalled us again to add the number of safety and security officers